or check battery damage on a laptop computer, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop, especially laptops, not computers. Okay, let's just go straight to the first one. Please like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so that the channel is not quiet, friends. Next, what is mandatory here? If for example the battery is being charged, unplug the charger first. Usually, what is less accurate if for example while charging? Well, I have unplugged the charger. Next, friends, in this search box, just type CMD, then please open the CMD. And in the CMDI display, please type power CFG. CFK / battery report, then enter, then the file will be saved in the local disk C, then enter. Well, this is saved in the C user folder. Okay, let's look in C, then the user folder. Well, where is C? C, then the user folder, then user again, right? Well, this is user again. Well, C user again. Okay, open it. Next, there will be a battery report, friends, just double click on it and then click always. Well, it will open like this, friends. There is information about what laptop we are checking. Here the laptop information is according to the type of brand, usually if this laptop happens to be an Acer laptop. Then for the battery information here, what you must pay attention to is the design capacity and full charger capacity. What does this mean, sir? This design capacity means the factory default capacity or battery capacity. The factory default is R52,000, yes. Well, since this user has been using it for a year, the battery capacity can only hold a maximum of 40,000 mAh. So it has decreased by 10%, like that, friends. So this battery health can be said to be from 100% health down 10% to 90% or below 90%, yes, 88% health. Then here there is information. What is this CLI con, MOS? SL con is the level of damage, yes, the level of damage. Usually if the SIC con is high it means the battery is about to be damaged. If for example the SIC con is low the battery is still good. Then the question arises, how high is the single cone? How much is the SL low con, MOS? Well, if for example the high one is the battery is bad or already damaged, the SIC is more than 800. Has reached 1000 the battery is already bad. If for example the SIC is below 500 then the battery is still pretty good, it is still around 70% health, like that, friends. Maybe that's all I usually check the health or damage of the battery on a laptop in general. But this method is quite accurate in my opinion, friends. So friends, please check using this method. God willing, it is accurate. Okay, for the information or tutorial, that's enough for here. Thank you for coming, for stopping by. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.